deep inside the wild green forest. As the sun dipped behind the trees, a hungry Wolf wandered near an old hollow log. His sharp eyes caught a clever fox sniffing around for food. Both locked eyes, ready for a fight. But before the first move, a distant growl echoed from the bushes. It wasn't either of them. A bigger predator, a bear, was approaching. The fox, smart as always, whispered, "Fight me and we both lose. Help me and we both eat." The Wolf, trusting instinct over pride, nodded. Together, they outsmarted the bear by leading it away from the area, using their speed and clever tricks. That night, under the starry sky, the Wolf and fox shared the food in silence. In the wild, sometimes enemies make the best allies.